ano siya, i-treat mo lang talaga siya as paper eh. Tapos, ang ano pa niyan, di ba? Pag pinrint yan, okay pa rin yung itsura eh.
Opo. Mas pagka 30% na saksakan natin.
Bakit?
Kasi pagkaso naman ako eh.
Hindi ko baka mag-ano.
Ngayon natin just to
Okay.
try it.
Ito, kung naalala mo sa additional math, di ba, may mga graph yung absolute values.
Ano?
Tama-tama nga po yung mga tinuturo niyo, sir, eh. Kasi yung mga hindi na ito in mga ginamit yung materials, hindi po yun yung mga nagamit na ng Joshua. Kaya saktong-sakto po yung mga tinuturo niya, yung mga siguro yung lacking niya po.
Teka, kailan nag-zero yung h of x? Three. So bakit yung xy axis mo nasa right? Negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. So ang value dapat ng h of x pag negative 3 is positive 6.
Wait, ano ba yung
So
y
may
equals? Ano ba yung y equals to x minus 2?
yung ano dyan ay hanapin mo yung pag
minus
absolute
3.
value, hanapin mo yung kailan nagsi-zero yan.
I know. So, kung dito, alam ko na po. So, kung nandito, 1, 2, 3, dito po siya mag-start. So, dapat
yung kung x minus 3 yung graph, di ba?
oh, pero absolute value siya. So, pag ganun po.
Mm-hmm.
Ayun.
Okay, tapos i-label mo yung mga intersections. So, yung intersection sa y-axis, ano yan? Yung intersection sa x-axis, ano yun? Okay. So, 0 to infinity. Okay. So, paki-graph muna, use a different color para dun sa y equals 3x plus 2. Or yung dashed lines. Pwedeng yun. Tapos anong intersections? Okay. And then since alam mo na yung graph ng 3x plus 2,
Nakabash pala.
okay.
Legible dash.
Ito po mo.
Okay. So ngayon yung graph ng absolute value naman. Teka, saan yung line of symmetry ng absolute value? Teka, substitute mo yung negative 2/3 dun sa f of x. Anong mangyayari?
Ano ba yan?
So ano yung included dun sa graph?
Tignan mo, pag ganun. Ano ba ang...
So hanggang saan? Hanggang dyan, di ba?
Kumusta na gano'n siya? Okay.
So as long as above the x-axis, walang absolute value. Tapos, yung nasa ilalim ng x-axis, i-reflect mo pataas.
Kumusta na? Mhm.
Ano yung point na yan? Lagyan mo ng label.
Ito.
Na yung katapat, yung ano yung kanina yung tinanggal mong nakamark. Anong point yun?
I don't know. Is it of significance? Is it even of significance po?
Yeah, kasi may line of symmetry yan eh.
Okay. So,
So kung pinapahanap yan, ano kaya yan?
negative 2/3. So, dapat negative 4/3.
Okay. Ngayon, so domain and range, no?
Bakit? Ito. Dapat ito pala domain. Bakit?
Alam mo yung alam mo yung concept ng Jejemon?
Ano ba yun?
Ay, maghanap na ako ng example later.
What's this? Easy. Rather trivial. Yeah. I feel like I'm missing something.
Nope. It's not the reals.
Okay, something must be wrong. Ito lang. So dito, and then this is, wait.
Ano ba ibig sabihin kapag in-evaluate yan? Di ba, pag, yan yung binigay sa yung function, pag in-evaluate, plug in mo yung number.
There,
And
there's
then,
a, there's obviously a hole here somewhere. I'm not sure where, but there's a hole.
Mhm.
X plus 5. X plus 5. I knew it. Sneaky little hole. Sorry, erase that and then erase. Yan, okay.
Okay.
Why? Okay, I'll just do it the hard way. Negative 5. Eh. So, may hole.
Tapos yung intersection niya with the x-axis, ano yung coordinates?
Minus 5. And then range. What's the range? May ano yun na naman siya. Okay. So, okay. May something wrong here. 0. Tapos yung range. Oh!
Teka. Sige.
Wala.
Teka. Undefined siya sa x equals 0. So pag sinubstitute ko yung x equals 0, sa numerator, negative 25. Yung denominator, 5.
Teka lang. Wait lang mo. Parang mali yata yung whole ko. Wait. X must be negative 5 for this to happen. So, mga ano lang siya dito. So nandun yung whole. It was all for naught. Okay, so nandito yung whole. Let's see this one. 5.
I think ano yan, yung equals x minus 5, lagyan mo ng qualification na x not equal to.
Saan mo?
Yung just after that. X equals x minus 5, where x is
Ano
not
mo?
equal to 5.
Para may ganito?
No, bracket. X not equal to negative 5.
5.
Negative 5. Kasi dyan naglolo ko, di ba?
Dito. Alam ko na. So, ito pa yung stroke of genius. Gagawin ko. I will color it white. Aha! Mortals. Okay. And then I put this. The best hole in the world. Okay. Now, the domain. Ano yung donut? Is real minus, it looks so bad. Real minus negative 5. And then,
Yung range.
Yes. Okay, that's phonetically correct. Real number minus what? Ano ba yung excluded sa kanya? Negative 10. Ano ba?
So, ano yung value ng wala?
Yes, negative 10.
Okay.
And yun na. Okay, 29. Lately after putting many problems, but the students are only going to do the odd numbers anyway.
Hindi, alam mo kung bakit may ganyan? Exams.
Para hindi na po alam yung answer. Okay. Nagamitin yung mga iba sa pool.
Exams or homework. Pero tingin ko for homework, dapat lahat ng sagot nandun eh. Kaya lang, maraming students hindi na-appreciate na kaya may homework. Kung ano yung silbi ng homework eh.
Pain and suffering. Okay, now I learned my lesson. So I already know what.
Inom lang po.
Inom na po ako ng gold. 1% po. 25. Okay, so alam ko na napasa na po ako. So obviously this one is a negative 3. Yes, tama. Okay, so x minus 3. X minus 3 without the 1. Okay. So it's that. X minus 3 without the 1. X not equal to 1.
Mhm.
And then something is going to happen. What is going to happen? X minus 3. So dapat nandito siya 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, and then, wala si 1. Wala to. So, I have a better idea. Better than earlier. Circle it. And then, color this white. Wow! Okay. The perfect hole.
Okay, so yung coordinates ng hole,
Ay, negative 2, 1, negative 2, 1, negative 2. Okay.
okay. Tapos yung coordinates ng intersections sa x-axis sa y.
What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 0. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yes, tama.
Teka, bakit 4-0? When y is 0, x
When y is
equals
0. Tama. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 1 pala to. So I need to fix this. Because it's obviously incorrect. So it's move it here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, tama na. 1, 2, 3, yes. This one is negative 1. 1. And then, 3.
Teka, check na natin. When x is equal to 1, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So bakit 1 negative 1?
Wait a minute. 1, 2, 2, 3. Dapat dito nga siya. Yes.
Ano yan eh? Yung una, pag nag-going ka ng ganyan, hanapin mo muna yung x and y intercepts. Saka
Tama
mo
mo.
hole.
Oh
So ano
my
yung x
gosh.
intercept, y intercept?
It was actually correct earlier. Corrected now, it's already correct. This is also correct. 0, 3, at 0. And this is like 0, negative 3. Yes, tama yun. Yes. All of them are correct. Yes. Then the two main. U minus 1. I need to move this. Yielding.
Mhm.
What's this? Piecewise functions? Never heard of them. Mhm. No! Everything is a piecewise function. Why? Pain and suffering.
Hindi, maglagay ka ng vertical lines para lang alam mo na kung saan ka dapat, hanggang saan ka nagka-graph.
Playful
So,
making my
ginagamit.
life. Where is it? So 2, -2 when something something, and then so it's like a jump. That's may hold. Okay, I know already what I expect. So dapat -2 when -2 here 3 equals okay sama siya. And then when 3 is greater than 2 siya. It's like a sine function. But it's been moved. The signum function. And then this one here. C. There. And then move.
Okay. Ngayon, yung coordinates ng whole at saka nung isa.
Coordinates of the whole. Whole. Wait a minute. There. It looks better. And then coordinates of the whole. Obviously this is 2, 3.
Okay. Tapos yung intersection sa y-axis.
The Hamiltonian function. Intersection of the y-axis. Uh,
Okay. Ngayon, domain and range naman.
Easy. Wait. So domain here, here. So may hole, but the hole is filled up. Okay. Get to know. Real, of course. So and then the range is just okay. That's weird. So it's only it's wait, ano yung range?
So, in
-2
set
and 2.
notation,
Okay, interesting. So it's literally just two numbers. Signal function
ayun.
moments.
Okay. 33.
Another piecewise function and then another piecewise function. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No! Oh, wait.
Pero yung mga yan, importante, di ba? You learn something eh.
Piecewise function. What's this? Maybe. Okay, there. When it is not equal to 2. When it's equal. Okay, so there's like a hole in the line and then there's a dot at 0. Okay. So there will be this and then there's a dot and then there's a hole.
wag mo munang lagyan yung hole. I-graph mo muna yung line.
Uh-huh.
And then after that, hanapin mo yung hole at saka yung
X
value.
plus 1. So dito, 1, wait, tama ba? Start here. 1, 2.
So when x is 0, when x is 1, 1, 1.
Tulo.
Okay.
So,
So saan yung hole? Anong value ng x?
here. So I'll put the dot. So wait, dot. If there's a whole point, it's a point. It's an isolated point. And then here, put it out. What if there are many holes po in succession?
And wala. Gagawin mo yun.
Why not? Why, kumbaga po, will there be like this? Like this region?
Ay, hindi. Pag ganyan, iba na yung ano. Pag talagang isang buong putol yun, hindi siya holes.
Or what if ganito mo?
Hindi. Pag ganyan, pwede kasing discontinuous yung graph talaga dyan sa points na yan eh. And then may ibang graph somewhere. So yeah, posible yan. Pero nasa function. Piecewise, malamang ang definition. Isipin mo, may function na ganito. Y equals 1 when x is rational. Y equals 0 when x is irrational. Try graphing that.
So ano, actually, kung gano'n po, di ba almost every number is irrational?
Mhm. Pero may infinite din yung mga rationals, di ba? Even worse, paano pagpapa-integrate sa'yo yun?
Posible po integrate yun.
Hindi siya integrable siya pero not using yung Riemann integral, which is what we're learning. Yung may mas advanced definitions of integration na kaya yun at nagfe-fail yung Riemann integral.
Oh no. Wait. Ano ba mean niya? Continuous pa rin. So, infinite. Okay. And then, range. Also, yes. So this not, yes, it's not, what is this? So, real numbers minus this one, okay. Real numbers minus. Okay.
Okay.
Linus Pauling. Why? Okay, there. Minus Pauling. Yes.
20 seconds na lang, no? So pag namatay yan, Bababa lang ako para kumuha ng tubig and then I'll be back.
Opo. Mag-ano lang po ako ng coordinate axis.
Sige.
And then equals 3 minus 2. Water supply.
For yung intercepts, yun yung mga ano eh, importante alam mo nasaan yung x and y intercepts eh.
So I found out pala po, you can use po itong tool.
Yung ano, yung I think ang tawag dyan,
Line po.
spline tool siya, di ba?
Opo. Yun. It's usable. So ito is when x is 0. When x is 0. Negative 4. Ah. Dito. Ay. No! I can escape it. I need to cancel. Yun. Okay, ngayon. Back to normal. Zero.
So,
Zero.
okay. Tapos, yung whole nasaan? Ayun. So, when x is equal to 3, okay, 5. Sige. Domain and range. Teka, hindi included yung 3 sa domain?
Triangle pala siya. There's already a point with it.
Okay. Yung range, teka, tingnan natin. Walang value ng x na nagbibigay ng value na y na 5.
Ito po yung po. Ito po yung mga nagpapa zero sa mga students.
Ganito, anong definition ng range ulit?
Meron po dito. So, ma-cover na pa rin yung 5.
In terms of in terms of possible y values, what is the range?
Yung all of the possible outputs nga po.
Ng function.
So, kasi hanggang dito mo. May
Okay,
5
so
po.
okay, so may 5 doon, no? So usually hindi pwedeng kasama yung 5, yung positive 5 sa range. May values ba ng y na hindi kasama sa range?
Yes.
Okay. So negative 4 to infinity.
Okay.
So 37 naman.
Base load. Base load. 37.
Kaya yung ano niyan eh. Kaya may mga ganyang exercises kasi parang pilitan kang sabihin sa sarili mo kung ano ba talagang ibig sabihin ng domain and range eh. And then practice on using it. May mga ibang functions kasi okay, it's hard to give the domain and range. Pero once clear, which is what these exercises are meant to do, Okay. I think for this one, i-graph mo muna yung 3x plus y equals 3x plus 1. And
X plus
then graph y equals 1 minus x squared. And then erase kung ano yung mga hindi included.
3x plus 1 3x plus 1.
Tapos, when x is 0, di ba ang value niyan ay 4. So, go to a separate page, use a better scale. Kasi ginagawa mong 4 yung 1 division eh. So go to the next page na. Use a bigger graph, a bigger scale.
A big graph. Where's this? Copy.
So or cut and paste to the next page. So new page muna, syempre.
Copy. And here, coffee. And then faced. No.
Hindi, tama.
Delete.
Okay na yan. Tapos,
Coffee.
yung 3x plus 1, so ano yung scale na magandang gamitin dyan? 1 division is 3 divisions for 1. Yun ba yung balak mo?
Abo.
Okay, kung ganon, baka dapat lakihan mo yung
3
graph
divisions
mo.
per 3 divisions per 1 for 1 po dito sa x-axis. So y-axis normal.
Mhm.
Okay, so kailangan super long. Long graph.
Hindi, di ba, you have the whole page. So, mag-zoom out ka para
Long graph.
kasi di ba you're not spending on paper. So, you can use a bigger page.
-1.
X is 0, 1, negative 1/3. Okay. So, yung 3x plus 1, so when x is equal to 0, teka, substitute when x is 0, go ahead table for 3x plus 1. X versus 3x plus 1. Okay. And then we know line yan eh. So, kahit na 2 points lang, okay na. Teka, plot mo yung points. When x is 0, y is equal to 1, saan yun? Mark the points first, di ba? Tapos, saka mo i-connect.
Dito, 0, 1, 1, 4.
So, lagyan mo ng cross mark. Red cross mark, I think, para mas maling makita. Yan yung ginagawa ng additional math eh.
Kaya pala. And then something.
Okay, and then connect. Tapos para hindi kasing gamitin mo yung thinnest na thickness para dun sa cross marks.
Ito mo.
Yeah, leave it there. Okay lang na nandyan yan kasi ginamit mo yung points eh. So, just mark it with a thin red crosses. Yung thinnest red cross.
Paano
Tingnan
po?
mo yung may yung sa pen options, yung thickness ng pen. Tingnan mo
Saan?
yung merong purple moon dyan, di ba? Tingnan mo yung left katabi nun. Purple moon. Yan. So, yung katabi niyan, to the left, yan yung mga pen thicknesses.
What is the purple moon do po?
Hindi ko maalala eh. Okay, so we know those 2 points. Okay na. So, ngayon, yung 1 minus x squared naman, make a table para madaling mag-graph. Yung mga special points na alam natin. Okay, wait. Don't extend. Alam mo kung bakit?
Paano?
Sorry. X less than 0, no? So, kailangan mo extend niya. I think dapat yata nag-plug in tayo ng points dun sa negative values eh.
So ngayon, I will delete it. There. It is all for naught. Remember to put this.
X is... Okay.
X.
Wait. Included by... When x is 0, ano naman?
Wait lang. Tama na pala. X is greater than or equal to 0. So, that's correct. And then dito, x is less than 0. 1 minus x squared. 1 minus x squared. So, ganun yan.
Teka, before you draw that, some points. Ano yung y x intercept ng 1 minus x squared?
Ito ba? 0 na.
Ayan. And then, saka ka mag-spline. So, mark some points and then you can use a spline. Kung gusto mo.
Ito po yung spline. Parang ano po. I think it's another skill. It's that hard. Hold on. Spline.
Tapos, ayun, stop ka na muna dyan kasi hindi pa natin saan papunta yung iba, di ba? Or may estimate mo ba?
4, 5. Dito po.
Okay na. Yun na yun. Okay, so yung intercepts, naka-label na ba lahat?
Except this one.
Okay. Domain and range.
May mali pala mo. There's something wrong. I almost forgot. Since ito pala 1 for 1, so dapat ganun pala.
Okay, so
1, 1, 2, 3. Dito siya. 1, 2, 3,
teka, when
4.
x is negative 1, when x is negative 1, ano yung magiging value?
X is negative 1. Negative 1. Ano ba negative 1? Pag negative 1, 0.
Okay, so 0. So, okay, so may point ka na dyan. Tapos, negative 2, 1 minus 4, that's going to be negative 3. Okay.
It seems wrong. It seems wrong. Oh my gosh. This thing is so hard. It was so close. I was already there.
Yan. Ayan. I think okay na yan.
There. Looks better than earlier. Okay,
Okay.
now.
Domain and range. So, domain and range.
This one is 0, 1. Domain is real,
Mhm.
and then range is real.
Okay. So,
Okay, so this next one is easy, and then the next one is very hard. So if there's no need for splining, okay, so this is possible. I can build an entire parabola. And then where's the line? So turns out pala po yung mga yung what the spline produces are conic sections pala. Hyperbolas and parabolas.
well, I'm not sure kung ganun yun, no? Pero smooth curves.
Probably po, it looks like a parabola. I'm not sure kung exact na.
Hindi ko alam kasi kung ano yung fitting function eh. Kasi cubic functions will also be smooth, di ba?
No, that's a parabola. Draw line. Ano ba? -2. Okay, so x is greater than -2. So 4 minus x. What's 4 minus x? Hold on.
Fine.
So x to 4
Teka,
minus
mark mo yung boundary dyan, yung x is equal to -2, di ba?
no.
So, mag-drawing ka ng vertical line na dashed para madaling makita yung kung saan nag-shift from one function to the next.
Yan. 4 minus x.
And your scale.
Wala mo.
Okay. Yung interpolation yung nakikita kong interpolation for yung sa spline interpolation, ang binibigay cubic. So cubic functions na piecewise.
So it'll never give me so it can give me a true parabola, but it'll never give me a true hyperbola. So, dito
Teka.
tama yun.
Yung natural boundary point, tingnan mo, x equals -2. So, draw a vertical line. Draw the line x equals -2. Para lang use a red dashed line. I think mas madaling makita. Yan. Para madaling makita yung kung saan yung piecewise. Okay, yung sa 6x plus 7 for x less than -2. So when x equals -2, saan babagsak yan?
For -2.
Kaya,
6 plus 7.
so -2, so -12 plus 7. That's going to be...
Oh no.
-5.
Okay, I'm going to shrink this graph.
Kaya useful mag-compute ng table muna before you do any drawing.
There. So I shrank it by scale of 1:2. Yes. Shrunk it. So now I can extend the graph again.
Four minus -2. 4 plus 2, that's going to be 6. Ano yun eh? Gawa kang table, compute representative points. Especially for a line, di ba? You only need 2 points to draw the graph. Para may idea ka ano yung... Kasi with representative values, makikita mo na ano yung appropriate scale. And write down the computation. So when x is... Kaya, check lang natin yung values. When x is greater than -2, ano slope ng graph?
1, 2, 3. So, x is less than or equal to -2, 6 po.
Di ba yung 6x plus 7, kailan nag-a-apply yan?
X is less than or equal to -2 mo.
Okay, so bakit nandiyan siya sa side na x greater than 2?
So, bababa ko po siya.
Ngayon, ano yan? Kaya ano yan eh? Gawa ka ng, pili ka ng representative points for x less than -2. And then, same thing for x greater than 2. Di ba, x greater than -2, ano yung function?
Ito mo, 4 minus x.
Mhm. So, bakit yung tilt ng graph mo paakyat?
Saan mo?
Yung x greater than -2, yung 4 minus x. Yan yung graph, no? Or no?
Yes. Yun po.
Ano slope ng tangent line yan?
-1.
Is that a -1 slope?
No.
No. So, burahin mo muna yung mga yan. Tapos compute representative points.
Jordan yan. Okay.
Kasi papahirapan mo na yung sarili mo if you don't compute. So, when x is -3, ano yung magiging y? Okay, -4, ano may magiging y? So, those 2 points should be enough for you to graph 6x plus 7 for x less than -2. Tapos use a red cross mark para lang maling mahanap yun. Or, sige, kung ginagawa mo, dot, okay lang. Tapos, when x equals -2, ano yung magiging direction? Saan siya papunta sa x equals -2? And then, is it going to be a hole or is it going to be filled up?
Filled up.
Kaya, computein mo na, saan dapat babagsak yan? Anong point?
Dito mo.
Yan. Ngayon, yung part ng graph na yan, that's only going to be true for x less than -2. Yung x greater than -2, kailangan natin ng 2 points dun sa sa other half ng function. So, make a table para makuha yung 2 points na yun.
X minus ano ba? X minus 4. Ay, 4 minus x.
Mm-hmm. So, when x is, yung 4 minus x, when x is equal to -2, ano yun?
Undefined dapat. Pero dapat yung ano lalabas siya. 6.
Oh.
Tapos 0. 4. Ah, 0,
Tapos,
4.
when y is 0, ano yung makukuha mo?
It's negative 2. 6.
Okay, when y is 0, huwag mo muna i-connect. Tuloy mo pa yung table mo. When y is 0, teka, when y, 4 minus x yan, di ba? So when y is 0, x equals, okay, so may whole, tapos 4, 0 naman yung isang point. So saan yun? Yan. And then tuloy lang. Kasi line yan eh. Okay, I think that should be enough para mag-decide mo kung yung domain at range. Okay, so walang budas, all reals.
Mhm.
Okay, so hindi included yung 6. So pwede siya. Ayan. Okay, next item.
No.
Yung actually yung mga ganyan, it's good for you to practice pati yung even. Kasi mukhang kailangan eh. Tapos, you can use Desmos to check your work.
Why? 41. Oh no.
Okay, ano ba yung 41? May greatest integer function. May step, ang tawag yun? Greatest integer function or... Sorry, there's another name for that. Ano yun?
Floor function.
Floor. Okay. Oh. So, kailangan symmetry regions yan. Okay, yung 25 minus x square, y equals 25 minus x square, ano yung in-expect mong shape ng graph na yan?
It's parabola but it's half.
Kaya, y equals, sulat mo, y equals 20. So, y equals square root of 25 minus x square. Okay, square both sides. And then,
Ellipse. Circle.
circle of radius
5.
5. Ngayon, yung square root, sa circle siya, pero anong part ng circle?
Positive part po. Parang ganun.
Yung positive part lang. Okay.
Ganun po.
Tapos kailangan natin i-check yung behavior ni x plus 3 at x equals negative 5. Tapos yung 3 minus x at x equals 5. Kasi possible na continuous or pwedeng discontinuous yan eh. Depende sa definition nung tatlong yan eh. So we have to check. Kaya, negative 5 plus 3 is going to be negative 2, di ba?
Opo.
Tapos, so, yung x plus 3, the limit of x plus 3 as x approaches negative 5 is negative 2. Habang yung square root of 25 minus x squared, yung limit as x approaches negative 5 is going to be 0. Anyway, makikita mo yan. Sige, try mo yung graph.
Wait na po.
Tapos, alam mo yung technique na draw yung broken lines na vertical para makita mo yung mga boundaries. Useful yun sa mga ganyan.
Or,
So yung mga possible discontinuities would be at saan yung boundaries between the functions. X equals negative 3 ba yun? At saka, negative 5? At saka plus 5 yata?
parang magandang tapos wala. 3 minus x plus 3 plus x. Okay. 3 plus x. Dito, 3 plus x. Dito siya mag-start. Okay, may whole.
Wait, 3 plus x dyan? Saan ba define yung x 3 plus x?
Negative 5 pala. Okay. So parang pag ganito, tapos sa circle, and then pag ganun. Okay. 3 plus.
So
okay.
negative 5 plus 3 is going to be
Ito, tapos baba. 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 Yan mo. So, tatanggal ko ngayon yung positive.
okay. Sige. Although, yung pwede mong gawin dyan ay i-compute 2 points na x less than negative 5. And then connect. Kasi para ma-determine mo yung magandang scale.
So, ano you call it? Circle, top part. Circle, top part. Ito, ellipse. 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 Yan, circle. Then, very nice. I start here. So I start here. I go up. Oh,
Mhm.
I just delete the bottom part.
Okay, again, tingnan natin yung function ulit. Included ba yung -5 at 5?
Included ko yung part na yung
Okay.
included
So,
ito.
lagyan mo lang solid na dot para makita included. Okay, tapos kung may hole, lagyan mo rin. Yan. Okay.
P minus N.
Okay. Tapos paki-label lang yung coordinates ng hole at saka nung x and y intercepts.
Totoro. And then O.
-5. Kaya check lang natin yung gusto ko lang i-check yung ano. So yung on the right is ano yun? Ano yung function? 4 minus x ba yun? Ah, 3 minus x. So when x is equal to 5, sorry, x greater than 5. So 3 minus 5, we're going to get -2. Tama. Tapos yung isa, when x is -5, -5 plus 3, that's going to be, wait, 3 minus 5 is -2. -5 plus 3 is -2. Parang, bakit? Pwedeng pakitiin, bakit ganun yung ano? Tingnan mo yung graph ng x plus 3 at saka 3 minus x. Dapat, di ba, when x is -5, -5 plus 3, -2. 3 minus 5, that's also -2. So bakit hindi kayo nasa, pwedeng patingin ng ano, ng the rest of the graph? So yung location ng holes parang may problema. -5, kaya pag -5, sorry. So, kaya pag -5, -5 plus 3, that should be -2.
Ano?
Saan yun?
X is less than -5 po, x plus 3.
Mhm. So, bakit ganyan yung shape ng graph mo? Kaya, x plus 3 yan. So, -5 plus 3 is what?
-2.
So, mali yung location ng hole.
Okay. Ilan yung isa naman, -2 pa rin. I was wondering, well, it should be symmetrical, but it's not.
Kasi, hindi siya symmetrical kasi ibang slope, di ba?
Pero dapat po symmetrical pa rin.
Hindi, patingin ng patingin ng slope. Ano yung isa? X plus 3 at saka x minus patingin?
Yung minus sa x po.
Para maging symmetric, dapat around the origin, dapat -3 minus x. Yeah. Kaya, buksan ko yung, anong number yan? Kasi nawawala ko yung, that's number
41.
Okay, tinan ko yung question kasi dahil umaakit baba ka, hindi ko na-retain yung question eh. So 1.1 41 x plus 3. So pag x plus 3, slope is going up, tama? -5 plus 3 is -2. Tapos 3 minus x, so -1. 3 minus 5, that's -2. Okay, mukhang ano naman. Tapos yung slopes nila dapat opposite, di ba? Okay, mukhang okay na. So, domain and range. Okay na. Ayan. Tapos wala namang values ng y na greater than that. So, yun yan. Okay, so 43.
Plus 2. And then, mag-iiba na po kayo. Who's this? Wait. File manager.
So, hindi siya defined when x equals.
With x equals 2.
Okay. Teka, pwedeng paki-factor yung numerator at saka yung tingnan natin kung ano yung... Huwag kang dumalun dyan. Pakita mo yung steps ng cancellations.
Huh?
Okay. So, graph and then domain and range. Okay, ano coordinates ng whole? Okay, domain and range. Okay. Sige. So, 45 naman.
Floor of x minus 4. It rhymes.
Okay. So, graph x minus 4 first. And then, from there, saka mo kunin yung floor.
The floor. Why is it called po the floor?
Kasi yan yung minimum value niya within an integer range, di ba? Parang may ano, kasi that's the greatest integer less than or equal to what's inside.
And then the ceiling function.
The minimum integer that's greater than or equal to.
Ano kung
Or
wall
smallest.
function? Parang the integer or something that's something yung mga alam mo may conditions. Remember kung parang may condition na floor function and ceiling function. The integer that may condition mo.
Mm. Okay, so yung strategy dyan, graph mo muna yung x minus 4 without the floor.
The floor.
Use a different color siguro or dotted curve. And then so when yung x minus 4, when x is 0, y is negative 4. Tapos when y is 0, x equals 4.
So the floor.
Okay. Ano yung effect ng floor? The floor is the integer. So, ang gawin mo dyan, mag-drawing ka ng horizontal lines at every integer value of y.
With this notation
So, for
po,
example,
Opo.
uh, draw the lines para na makita mo, y equals 0 and y equals 1. So yung y equals 0 nandiyan na. Yan yung x-axis. Yung y equals 1 nasaan?
Y equals 1. Ito mo.
Draw the line y equals 1.
So the line y equals 1. Gawin ko po siyang dotted.
Na blue or a different color. Sige, doesn't matter kung alin. Teka, that's x equals 1. We're looking for y equals 1. Okay. And then y. Okay, stop muna. Stop muna kasi hindi pa kailangan na para hindi distracting yung iba. Kaya y equals 1 lang. So ang titingnan natin yung ano yung mga sa x minus 4, alin yung between y equals 1 and y equals 0. Anong range ng values?
Ito po.
Mark mo yung x coordinates. So ano yung x coordinate na nagpo-produce x coordinates na yun? Yan. Ngayon, ang sinasabi ng ng floor function, between that, paki-mark yung x values ng yung lowest value ng x at saka yung largest value. Lagyan mo ng label. Anong value ng x yan? Anong value ng x yan? Sa scale.
Sorry.
So that's 4, di ba? Wait, yung x minus 4 kailan nagsi-0 when x equals 4. So that's 4.
So, teka lang. Ano ko po to?
So, lahat ng values na nagbibigay ng y between 0 and 1 will be in x between x is equal to 4 and x equals 5.
Oo.
Pakimark yung 5. Yung x equals 5 sa scale mo. Okay, ngayon, ano sinasabi kapag kumuha ka, tingnan mo yung range ng values niyan. At so, kailangan nating hanapin yung floor ng function yan within that range between 4 and 5. What's the floor when x is between 4 and 5?
4 po, except at 5.
Okay, so yung actual graph is going to be a horizontal line going from 4 to 5 with a hole at 5. So, yung gawin mong red instead of yung blue line na yan, gawin mo siyang yung red na dotted. Kasi ang kailangan natin yung ano eh. Yan. Okay. So, yung value ng x minus 4 between 4 and 5 should be 0. Kasi yan yung largest integer less than or equal to those values. So, nagpo-focus tayo dun sa x values between 4 and 5. So, ang floor ng ng y between x is 4 and 5 is 0. So, dapat yung graph mo 0 until umabot ka sa almost until umabot ka sa x equals 5. At 5, you have a hole. So, at 5, 0, you have a hole.
So, dito.
I think para mas malinaw siguro, gumamit ka ng ibang kulay para dun sa actual graph na hinahanap natin. Say green. Okay, gray will work. Sige.
Green po. Green po. Color blindness po.
Oo nga pala. Sige. So, yan. Use that color. So, yan yung graph. And then you have a hole at x equals 5. Tapos, filled up yung hole at x equals 4. Okay, ngayon let's look at y, yung y equals -1. So graph the line y equals -1. Yung dotted ulit. Tapos tingnan natin, between 3 and 4, so yung mga values na nagbibigay ng y na values of x that give values of y between 0 and between -1 and 0 is between 3 and 4. Okay. Hindi. Ano ba yung floor pagka tingnan mo yung function, yung x minus 4. So the greatest integer that's less than, so between 3 and 4, the greatest integer that's less than or equal to x minus 4 between 3 and 4 is -1. So horizontal line na y equals -1, yung value ng greatest integer function between 3 and 4. Okay, yung dark green is yung katabi ng black na color. Tapos, dyan, walang butas dyan. Tapos may horizontal line. So, filled up yan. Tapos may horizontal line going from that point to underneath x equals 4. Right? Or get, oh yeah, sige. And then may hole ulit. Ano yan eh? Pwede mo kasing gawin yan na piecewise eh, na when x is between 3 and 4, ano value ng floor? It's -1. When x is between 4 and 5, anong value ng floor? And so on. So, tapos makikita mo na yung pattern yan eh. Okay, so yan na, no? Ngayon, domain and range. Okay na yan. Alam mo ako na ibig sabihin ko anong ano eh.
Sige po.
Or glowing or mag-glowing ka lang ng bilog dyan. Yan. And so on. Di ba? So, domain and range.
So, ano po? Domain. Domain is everything. Okay. So, ma-fill up lahat. So,
Okay. Tapos range.
lahat ng integers. So, ano po yung integers?
Z.
Bakit naging po German?
I think Zahlen. German for I think it's from German. Zahlen, if I remember right. Okay. So similar yung ano niyan eh, yung gagawin mo kapag pagka floor of a more complicated function. Graph mo muna yung function and then take the floor. Medyo tricky siya kasi hahanapin mo yung mga yung iisa-isahin mo yung mga yun eh. So at most quadratic lang pagawa sa'yo na hanapin mo yung floor ng isang quadratic function. Tapos graph. Okay,
Meron pa pong
so
mga floor po
So-
ng mga... Opo.
more complicated floor functions. Yun yung ano ginagawa ko eh. Cut into strips. Tapos investigate yung mga may values between those strips. And then ibura. Tapos lagay mo yung floor value.
Inisip ko po mga ano eh, floor ng mga exponentials, mga iba-iba.
Yeah, pwede. Yun nga lang yung ano yun eh. Tricky lang siya kasi kailangan mong mag-drawing ng horizontal lines eh. Para makita yung okay, sa range na to, ito yung magiging floor. So parang ano yan eh. Ang gagawin mo, actually, buburahin mo yung mga draw horizontal strips, burahin mo yung graph sa horizontal strip, palitan mo ng floor. Diba? Yung red lines, iba yan yung graph ng x-4. Tapos kinuha natin yung floor dun sa mga intervals.
Opo.
Okay? Anyway, so it's already 6. So we'll stop here. We'll continue on Sunday. So Sunday, balik physics tayo.
Opo. Meron pa pong floor sa physics.
Hindi ko siya na-encounter.
Opo.
There's probably an obscure application na kasi yung iba mahilig gumamit ng ganung notation. Pero hindi ko siya na-encounter eh. Siguro sa ano, baka electronics. Kasi may mga ano eh, kapag you're actually electronics, yes. Although hindi ko alam kung ginagamit na yung floor function doon. Pero it's one possible use. Kasi for example, alam mo yung RAM ng computer mo. It's actually made up of components na yung voltage tinitreat ng computer as 0 and 1.
So kung hindi po na mag-zero siya.
So below a critical value, i-round off ng computer to 0. Para siyang floor, di ba?
Tapos para signal function po.
So kumukuha siya ng floor para ma-define yung on ba or off.
Opo.
So if the voltage is less than a threshold value up, treat mo na as 0, it's off. If it's greater than this threshold, treat mo na siya as on.
Opo.
Okay, so anyway, we'll stop here for now and then we'll continue on Sunday. Tapos physics naman.
Okay po.
Sige. So see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.
See you rin po. Thank you po. Bye-bye po.